So I always thought that it was a bunch of bull crap that the Harbor Freight standard and metric O-rings, the two kits were the same. There is a difference. 397 pieces, 382 pieces. So I started looking at these, and I took R11, which is basically what I believe this General Motors quick connect component inside here and here, and the stack up for the quick connects. And it turns out that R11, if you do the math, 5/16 and the R11 from this kit, 11.6, they're not the same. It's a little bit different. And if you actually take them off, the standard SAE ones appear to be thinner than the metric ones. Where the hell is the camera? Yeah, so they're thinner for the smaller sizes. Then once you get to the bigger sizes, like 327, and this one, the standard ones, are thicker than the metric ones. So there is a difference between these two kits. Just figured people would want to know that. So you might want to get both kits, as I've been doing blindly. There is a reason for it.